Hello, Margaret Ann here with By Design. I'm going to go over an image with you and show you what a multicolor image looks like. And we're going to pull it up and I'm going to go over the specs of it really quick here. I already have the image already uploaded, so I'm just going to click it, this little guy here. So we're going to insert it. It may take a couple of minutes for it to upload, not minutes, but seconds to upload because my image files are pretty large. And I'm going to click down here to minimize it down a little bit. Okay, so once it opens, click the image once, click the Ungroup up in the upper right, one time, not twice. And you're going to see that the image is now opened up like this. You're going to see all these little cut pieces, but don't panic because that just shows you the different layers that, not layers, I'm sorry, wrong word, different pieces that are actually involved here. So you can see like this is one piece, that's going to be one piece, and so on, because they're divided by other colors. So it makes it its own individual piece. All you have to do is come all the way up to the top, because that's what I like. I like to start at the top. Excuse me, I'm sorry. We're going to click on the header of each one of these. We are not going to click on the individual cut pieces because that's going to bring it out like the C is going to be separate, the A is going to be separate. We don't want to do that, okay? So we're going to click the header, and then we're going to click Weld, okay? And see how it grouped it together at the top? So we're going to do that to each one of these. I'm going to go down quickly and just do that. You can see it selecting the colors as you're grouping them and selecting it over there on the image itself. Okay, now they're all grouped together. So you can go here and you can click this and see it pulls the black off. Okay. Now, once you have this selected, you can't ungroup it again, which that's a safety feature. So this way you don't ungroup it twice, giving you all those little extra pieces. So we're going to go back. And then you click Make It. And here you're going to have your different pieces. Now before you click Make It, let me put Cancel. Before you click Make It, you're going to adjust the size, obviously. Oh my goodness, Margaret, what are you doing? Go back. First select everything. Then you can move it around and adjust the size on how big you want it. Okay? And then you click Make It. And then when you click Make It, this is the only little piece that's brown by itself. So that's why it's separate like that. And then each color is going to be laid out for you, and it will cut accordingly. Okay? So that's it. I hope this helped you. And if you have any questions or anything, please go ahead and message me. And like always, God bless and have a wonderful day.